Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make gem choices. So gem choices are actually very simple to do. There's not much to say about it except for the fact that you need to add two extra things when you're making choices. If you guys don't know how to make choices, I'll leave the link in the description down below for you to go watch that video and learn how to make choices. But yeah, let's just get around to the video. But guess what? This is the first video with audio with my voice. I hope you like my voice. Let's get on with the video. So, the main thing to write is you need to write choice, go backstage. Oh no, you don't need to write that. You need to know how to make choices. So, in order to figure out how to make gem choices, you need to right click on this guides button and click an open tab. And then it's going to take you here where all these guides for you. So, you want to click on gem choices right here. Just let it load first and then click on gem choices and then click coding gem choices. And this is what it gives you. So you need to give your choice a name. So I named mine. I named mine go backstage because my characters are like trying to sneak backstage and see someone famous. And then when you start writing your choice, you want to write arrow, then gems in all caps, and then a closing arrow. So yeah, that's basically it. There's not really much to say about it. I already finished my entire scene because I lost the last footage of it. I did much more than this, but I didn't feel like doing this all over again, so I just cut out some unimportant stuff. So yeah, that's basically all I did. Yeah, so that's basically it. There's not much to it except for the fact that you need to write these two things that don't come with that you don't need to write for choices, and that's basically it. So we can just go ahead and see what that looks like already. We're only at I can't even tell. Oh wait, where? I have an error. I see. We do not need this. Okay, there we go. Now it's okay. So now we can preview it. There we go. I'm the famous one in this situation. So as you can see there are the choices. It's sneak backstage and see Breland for 10 gems, or it's don't go back there and go home for no gems. So let's go ahead and check out the first one, and then we'll check out the second one later. So they're cheering. Oh no, they got caught back there. So I did have the famous person walk in. I did have the famous person walk in, but I deleted that because it wasn't that important to the story. So now we can go ahead and see what happens when they go home. I'm gonna go ahead and click this one. And that's basically it. So like I said, there wasn't much to it except the fact that you need to have a name for your choice and to write gems before it. I don't think you get to choose how many gems. I think episode just like takes a random amount of gems and does that. I really don't know. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like if this helped you out at all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.